In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom online meeting. The first thing you need to do is open your Zoom desktop app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll usually see a few main options, including scheduling a meeting for later or starting one right away. For this example, we're going to start a meeting immediately. To do that, click New Meeting and a small setup window will appear. In this window, you can quickly check a few important settings before you go live. You'll have the option to mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, set up your background, and choose which microphone and camera you want to use. This is a good moment to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want. Once you're ready, click Start. Now, give Zoom a moment to open the meeting window. After the meeting launches, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see the participants button there. Click the small upward pointing arrow next to it, then choose Invite. This opens the invitation window where you can invite people in a few different ways. You may see your contacts listed, so you can invite them directly from there. You can also switch to the email tab and choose your preferred email service to send the invite that way. If you want something faster, look at the bottom of the same window where you'll find options to copy the invite link or copy the full invitation. You can then paste that into a message and send it to anyone you want to join the meeting. As the host, you also have several controls available during the meeting. If you click Participants, a panel opens on the right side of the screen. From there, you can mute everyone at once. And if you click the More Options icon, you'll find additional participant settings you can manage. If you click Share, a new window opens and lets you choose exactly what you want to present, or you can use the whiteboard if that fits your meeting better. If you click Host Tools, you'll see options such as locking the meeting, enabling the waiting room, hiding profile pictures, and other participant-related controls. If you click Record, you can begin recording the meeting, and if you click the More icon, you'll find extra features like captions, breakout rooms, docs, and notes, which you can explore as needed. When you're ready to finish, click End in the bottom right corner. Zoom will then ask whether you want to end the meeting for everyone or just leave the meeting yourself. And that's it. You now know how to host a Zoom online meeting.